Today we're going to listen to the Pure Cherry instrument expansion. I really liked the higher tuning of the maple gum and this Pure Cherry kit. I did feel they were similar enough that I didn't need both, so I ended up going for the maple gum, but then I took all the kits in this expansion and substituted the maple gum toms, and you just heard the version of the Black Cherry Room with those toms. In the main section, we will be listening to the original Pure Cherry samples and kits. The samples for both the drummer and producer positions come from a Collector Series DW Pure Cherry kit with 3 rack toms, a 7 by 8 inch, an 8 by 10 inch, and a 10 by 12 inch. There are 2 floor toms, a 12 by 14 inch and a 14 by 16 inch. The kick drum is 16 by 20 inches. There are 2 snares, a Collector Series HVLT Cherry 5.5 by 14 inch and a Collector Series Aluminum 5.5 by 14 inch. Like the other more recent videos in this series, we're going to listen to a sample of each drum loaded into a default kit with the tuning set to 0 and no EQ or compression. Then we'll listen to the kick, snare, and toms via a short MIDI fill sample I recorded. I played it back and sent it to the V71 so you could have a direct comparison of each kit. There are no cymbals played in the demo. As each kit is played, you'll see an image with a table showing you the layers, tuning, muffling, and shell size for each drum. If there are extra drums layered into the sound, you'll see additional drums on the floor representing those. Let's give it all a listen.